Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Zoom on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Zoom download, and the first link which will appear here will be from zoom.us/download. I'm going to put this link in the description of this video also, so you can directly click on this link from the description and come to this website. So on this Zoom download page, you will be able to see few options: Zoom client for meeting, Zoom plugin for Microsoft Outlook, Zoom plugin for IBM Notes. So there are many options here, right? The one we are interested in is this option, which is the first option, which is Zoom client for meetings, right? So click on this download button under Zoom client of meetings option, which is going to download this Zoom installer.exe file. And once this Zoom installer.exe file is downloaded, just click on this file, and I'm going to minimize my browser. So you can see it's initializing the Zoom installer, and after some time you will see this message which says the installation was successful, and you just need to leave this checkbox as checked, which is going to automatically keep the Zoom desktop client up to date, right? I'm going to click on done here, and you can see this Zoom app has been started on my Windows 11 operating system. Now if you close this Zoom app, you can also open this Zoom app using the Windows Start menu. You can see this app right here because we have recently installed it. Otherwise you can click on all apps option, and then you can scroll down at the very bottom and you can see Zoom app here, and from here also you can open Zoom app. So once Zoom app is open, you can either join a meeting. So when you click on join a meeting, somebody must have provided you the meeting link, so you just need to give the meeting link here, and this will be the name. So if you want to change your name, you can change the name, and then once you provide the meeting link, you can click on join, and then you will attend that meeting. Otherwise, if you don't want to join a meeting and you just want to sign in to your Zoom account on this Zoom meeting app, then you can click on sign in. And if you don't have the Zoom account, you can log in with your Google account or Facebook account, or if you want to sign up using the manual email ID, you can click on sign up. And when you click on sign up, it's going to redirect you to the Zoom .us website, and from there you can sign into Zoom, right? Once you have the Zoom account, you can just log in with your Zoom account. So I already have the Zoom account, so let me log into my Zoom account, and once I have provided my email ID and password, I can also check this checkbox which is going to keep me signed in, and then I can click on sign in, which is going to sign me in to my Zoom app, and now I can see my account here. So from here I can create a new meeting, I can join a meeting, I can schedule a meeting, and also I can share my screen with others on the meeting, right? So this is how you can download and install Zoom on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.